Welcome to Cookie and Quinn. Today we're going to make Dole Whip from Disney. And you can find Dole Whip next to the Tiki Room. Where the birds sing words and the flowers bloom in the Tiki Room. We're going to put all our ingredients into a blender. We need 2 cups of pineapple, frozen pineapple.
Okay.
Loud! We need a 1/4 cup of milk. Now we're gonna add 1/16 of a teaspoon of salt.
Every time I walk away, she does
2
something.
tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
Uh-oh, Juju, uh-oh. Hey, you just distracted me. Sorry. Hi, I'm another cameraman. Bam! We're gonna do 1 scant tablespoon of lemon juice. Oopsies. Boom. Now I'm gonna need an adult helper to help me blend this. Mine just is Descendants.
What's Descendants?
It's a movie on Disney Channel. It's blended and now we're gonna put it into a pastry bag. Now we're gonna pipe it into a little dish. And now I'm gonna try it. I can actually taste the pineapple. It's Disney at home.
Zayda, what's your favorite ride at Disney?
Test check.